This is the definitive guide to resolving video not showing issues in Premiere Pro. I've personally encountered this frustrating problem and rigorously tested numerous solutions, ultimately discovering multiple effective methods that I'm now going to share with you. First, we tackle clearing your media cache. Premiere Pro extensively relies on a media cache to efficiently access and preview your media files. When this cache becomes corrupted or simply overloaded, it often prevents video frames from rendering correctly within the timeline, resulting in a blank or missing preview. By clearing this cache, you compel Premiere Pro to rebuild fresh, uncorrupted cache files, which frequently resolves these specific display glitches. Next, a critical step involves updating your graphics drivers. Graphics drivers function as the essential software interface between your operating system and your dedicated graphics card. Premiere Pro heavily leverages the GPU for both rendering and seamless playback, so outdated or corrupted drivers can introduce severe compatibility issues, directly leading to display errors or a complete inability to process video frames for your timeline preview. Ensuring these drivers are current guarantees optimal communication between your software and hardware. Moving on, consider resetting your Premiere Pro preferences. The application stores user preferences and various settings in specific files that unfortunately can become corrupted over time, causing unexpected behaviors like preview malfunctions. Resetting these preferences effectively returns the application to its default, stable configuration, thereby eliminating any underlying configuration conflicts or corruptions that might be actively obstructing your video display. Finally, a powerful workaround involves changing your renderer settings. Premiere Pro utilizes different rendering engines such as the Mercury Playback engine with GPU acceleration or the Mercury Playback engine software only. If your GPU or its associated drivers are encountering specific issues, relying on GPU acceleration can directly cause preview problems. Switching to the software-only mode compels Premiere Pro to solely use your CPU for all rendering tasks, effectively circumventing any potential GPU-related conflicts and frequently restoring video visibility within your timeline. These methods comprehensively address the root causes of Premiere Pro timeline preview issues, getting you back to editing efficiently.